Guys, my knee is broken and it needs to be fixed. And guess where we're doing a delivery today? We're at Gifted Hands, guys. We come to make a delivery, but they also come to patch up the whole knee here. So I'm going to go inside, we're going to do the delivery, and I'm going to set an appointment. Guys, there's a link somewhere down here. Click on that link. Join us today. You can get some free shipping coupon. Just go and click and join. Log into your profile, and then click on a button there. You're going to see it say, get free shipping coupon. Click on free shipping coupon. Then you're going to see a button that says join. Join us to get some free shipping coupon. Alright, we're here at the doctors. We're going to get ourselves sorted out. Make sure that you get your packages sorted out. Right, if you live in Jamaica, or if you're a Jamaican living overseas, you can join us. We allow you to ship your items through us to Jamaica, and then we go deliver it to you or your loved ones. Alright guys, so go ahead, click on the link. Check out the artwork. I like it. I like it. And I'm going to look like that Superman. When I'm done with me, I'm going to look like Superman. Ready?